We're making another stop at the factory for this week's preset of the week. We are going to mod preset number 17, AC20 Deluxe. Let's check it out. The AC20 amp types are based on the Morgan AC20 Deluxe, which is essentially an all hand-wired, fully modded version of his very popular AC20. The Deluxe includes the ability to switch from an EF86 preamp circuit to 12AX7, normal or brilliant channel voicing, and power scaling, making it one of the most versatile Vox-style amps out there. Morgan based this amp off the normal channel of an AC30, but intentionally voiced it a bit darker. All the chime and growl is still there without the annoying ice pick in the ear that plagues most Vox designs. It's also a more usable 20 watts. Alright, let's switch over to Axe Edit. Besides the in and out blocks, this preset uses 12 blocks. Comp, wah, delay 2, drive, amp, cab, chorus, pan trem, rotary, delay 1, plex delay, and reverb. The comp block uses the pedal compressor 1 type, the wah block uses the Clyde type, the delay 2 block is using the digital mono type, the drive block is using the shimmer drive type, the amp block is using the AC20 EF86 bass in channel A, the AC20 EF86 treble type in channel B, the AC20 12AX7 bass in channel C, and the AC20 12AX7 treble type in channel D. The cab block is using legacy number 119, a 1x12 AC20 Deluxe mix. The chorus block is using the analog stereo type. The pan trem block is using the tremolo type. The rotary block is using a rate of 6.5 Hz. The delay 1 block is using the dual delay. The plex delay block is using the golden shimmer type, and the reverb block is using the small hall. There are 5 blocks that aren't used in any scene, and I'm not counting the wah block. The comp block doesn't get used, neither does the drive, chorus, pan trem, or rotary blocks. But you know, you can always turn them on using a foot controller. This preset has 8 scenes: EF86 bass, EF86 treble, 12AX7 bass, 12AX7 treble, delay into amp, amp into delay, shimmer, and 12AX7 bass dry. We'll swap out the comp block for the looper block, just like we did when we tried Dyna-Cabs with the Plexi 100 watt. That way we can record a riff, then put the guitar away and focus on the cab block. I'll go ahead and do that right now. I recorded my loop. Now let me play just a little bit of each scene using the legacy cabs. And we'll do this just very short. So that was the 8 scenes using the legacy cabs. Right now in firmware 22.00 public beta 5, we have 36 Dyna-Cabs available. One of these is the 1x12 AC20. We have very limited info on the makeup of the Dyna-Cabs, but I'm going to assume that Fractal used an AC20 combo, which uses a Celestion G12H 75 Creamback 16 ohm speaker. I am also going to assume that the same combo amp was used for the legacy IRs and the Dyna-Cab. So we literally will be pitting our miking skills against Fractal's. Now that should be interesting. We don't want to do anything to mess up the legacy settings, which is using channel A, so we'll use channel B for our Dyna-Cab. And since we have 4 cab slots in each channel, we'll put the 1x12 AC20 in all 4 slots, and then use each of the mic types on it so we can hear how they sound. Then we'll adjust each mic type to taste and try some combinations. And then finally, we'll compare our Dyna-Cab version to the factory version. All right, let's go. let's go back to channel A and use the legacy cabs to play a little. Now let's try the Dyna-Cab and play the same thing. Okay, my take on this is that the legacy cabs are louder, but that the Dyna-Cabs have much better clarity. And of course, you can also use the level control to match the volume of the legacy cabs. But once again, my vote goes with Dyna-Cabs. The more you use Dyna-Cabs, the easier it gets. If you're really ambitious, you could try a reamping project and then using the Dyna-Cabs and dialing in the tone until you're satisfied, and then saving the preset that way. This Friday, we're going to be revisiting scene controllers by special request. Now, you don't want to miss that, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. All right, guys, I will see you on Friday.